Another early morning, Saturday, and yeah, hopefully we're at that stage, but nah, we're still over there. Look how fucking cool that does look. Maybe I should paint my white. Anyway, I've got Toddles coming in today again. Thanks for his help, massive help he has been. So we'll get some more bars done in the cage. Hopefully we have steering today. That'll be cool. I'm about to push it. But yeah, we'll get some more bars done, steering mocked up. Yeah, and we'll start doing some sheet work. Excellent. Let's go. But first, gotta make some room. Cars everywhere. Finally moved it. I sort of bent the front end a bit, so I had to twist and jab it a bend. What we're doing now, so in here, I've got some more poles, and then we're going to put some plates up there, so that works from there to the cage, and either side, and then we do a crossbar, so I can put my steering back on, and hook up my brakes pedal. And then we'll get them sorted out. Sweet. Progress. We've got some bars in there. We're going to get them fully welded up. So I've done all the notching and that on that, so we should be able to get some full welds done. And then once the front end's done, welded up, we can start putting this strut in, muck it all up, and happy days. Alright, still welding. Todd's getting those fucking front braces in so we can start looking at putting the suspension on so we can put it on its fucking wheels! Yeah, boy. Big thanks to Todd again. Well, like I said, I had welding flash the other week, so he's taken over. Yeah. Let's go! Alright, first time putting the wheel on. Let's see if it's going to hold. Reckon it's going to hold, mate? Nah? Alright, we'll give it a go. Alright, got the other wheel. I guess he's fucking on the ground. Have a look at that. Like, I still got adjustments this way I've got to do because I've only got that. I've got to do the caster. So I've still got to do caster rods. But other than that, it is sitting like mint. It fucking rolls. So I still got to go back because it's sitting on its weight. So once that goes back, it should be sweet. Todd's done all the bars in the back. Put a seatbelt rail in. Tied in the bars down there. Tied in the bars down there. So yeah, pretty good progress. I think we'll call it for a day here and go work on the RX-7 on the XH. Hopefully I'll get welder's flash this time. Yeah. Sweet. Can't fucking believe it. Finally on the ground. Thank you. Oh, back home again. Have a bit of a nap. So what I've got here is a fuel tank. So I'm trying to clean that out now for the RX-7 so we can put all that back together. I've got a new fuel pump from work. I've got some vinegar. 5 kilos of pebbles. So we're just going to put 5 kilos of pebbles in the tank. Yep. In the tank. Right, we'll put some rocks in there. We'll get the lid off the vinegar. And pour that in. Yep. Good concoction. Alright, and then we put the lid back on there because that's empty. Another handful of rocks in there. And we shake. Why, you ask? What happens? The vinegar kills off the rust. And the rocks take off all the flakes. So you shake it around. And yeah, it cleans at the same time. Sweet. We shaked and bagged it and emptied it. We got some about 5 litres of fuel, clean fuel. Got all the rocks out, got the vinegar out, got all the debris out, then put some fresh fuel in it, washed it around again, got covered, and I stink like fuel. But anyway, let's have a look inside. Well, doesn't that look a hell of a lot better? Yeah, there you have it. Bag of rocks, some vinegar, some arm strength, and shake it all about. Best one is to use a cement mixer. Just wrap it around and do it for a couple of minutes, and bang, Bob's your uncle. Let's put it all back together. Oh, I've got to fix this vent up the top because I forgot it was hooked up when we pulled it out. So, next thing is put new fuel pump in. A lot better. Ow, right in the head. It doesn't stink like that shit that was coming out of it. That's good. Let's put it in. Fuel tank up in there. Yeah, so I'll put you to the side. I'll put you on the speedo because I might be swearing a bit because this is going to be crap. So we've got it back on there. That onto there, so I'll leave the clamps loose. We'll go back underneath and see if we can push it up a bit. Get the rest of this tanking. Yoo-hoo!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Covers are done. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going to call it night and go have some dinner. And we'll put the fuel filter in. Got a new fuel filter. And then we'll put some fuel in it. And then start doing the ECU. Well, I'll see you tomorrow.